Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia and welcome to my birthday vlog. If y'all don't know, I turned 23 on November 4th. My birthday is on a Friday this year, so the whole weekend is up. Okay. But I do want to come on here and show y'all some of the pieces that I'm making. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm actually wearing to the club on Saturday. It's just like a regular smuggler like pink silk dress, but I'm adding those feathers to it. And I do have like matching heels that I got from Fashion Nova, so it'll be like a monochromatic look. I just hope everything comes together. I actually bought two separate boas because I wasn't sure which one would be similar to the dress, but they don't match, so I'm gonna just try to do the best I can with what I got. Okay, y'all, so it's almost 12:30. I did finish this dress. Oh snap. Which I just added the feathers to it. Child, I started my pantsuit. I did the leg part, but I ran out of feathers and material, so I ordered some more. So hopefully it's supposed to come on Friday, so maybe I can do it real quick before I leave. I'm gonna just do the sleeves, and my brunch outfit doesn't need any tweaking. So yeah, these are my fits, and we'll just see how they all come together.
First of all, you have to give me the secret, because mine tastes good, but that tastes immaculate.
Dang, Abby, can you be quiet so I can vlog? Okay, y'all, so it's my birthday, period. I just did a family breakfast with half of my family.
Less than half.
No, for real. Everybody's at work, but I still want to have a breakfast. So what am I about to do now? I'm about to go to the nail salon, get my nails done. Me and Abby. And yeah, so I'll take y'all along with me.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout.
Okay, y'all, so fast forward throughout the day. It's about 9 p.m. First of all, I know I look cute, period. My friends are here, so we're about to go now, take pictures. My hair is KK Wigs. Y'all know the deal. She did a custom install, and also she added highlights to this, makeup me, lip me as well. Okay, so we finna be on our way. We're going to Prime Social. We're gonna take some pictures because I have to post. Okay, y'all know I'm an Instagram girl, so I gotta post. I keep looking at myself. I know I look good, period. I'll see y'all at the place or somewhere else. Oh my God, you know the vibes. In real time. Why'd you say no, Jessica? Yeah. What about Kiara? She gonna step. Oh. Okay.
day 2 of the birthday shenanigans. Me and Abby are at the mall. I'm not sure what I want to get. I'm just, you know, here for the vibes.
I'm along for the. I was gonna cuss. I'm along for the ride.
You can cut that, Abby. Just be yourself. So I know for a fact it's a Starbucks in one of those places, so I want a drink.
Barnes and Noble.
Okay. See, if you would have told me that, I would have never entertained him.
It was a friend.
That don't matter. Not plant-based nuggets. Okay, Starbucks.
Period.
I'm not trying that today, Chef.
Look at this Oreo cheesecake. Since when do they do cheesecake here? Period. That cheesecake is fire too. Okay, Abby.
I got a venti because I'm trying to be up all night. If you know what I mean. No, I'm fire.
What is this one? Cocoa and
I probably would like that one. Oh, wait, no.
like that one.
It smells like hot chocolate, the Polar Express.
this baby.
Where's the candy apple? I'm ready for my Ratchet night out. That's what I'm calling it. I showed y'all earlier. Period. Everything came together very nicely. So make sure to follow my Instagram at Asia Rachel so y'all can see my pictures and stuff. But yeah, I'm running late to my own party. What's new? Hopefully I check back in with y'all at my pregame party. If not, I'll see y'all when I see you. Thank you. We're going on the vlog. Denise is here. Fashionably late. We got everybody at the table. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I just got my food. Salmon Benedict. And another mimosa. We all got our food almost.
Happy birthday to you. Dear Asia.
Period. Go, Ava. And her birthday parties.
Got my dessert on the house.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey. Okay, y'all, we finna go try to take pictures somewhere. Listen, Kiara got a wagon. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of lit.
As you should be.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
This is the boss lady right here.
Your birthday.
It's the boss. Hey, it's the boss. Hey, it's the boss.
Don't get tougher, man. Don't get tougher. You could have ran that joker in, or just they could have covered it.